What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. VP Tactical here, and today we are talking about the Path series of holsters from CYA Supply. These ones are made specifically for the Micro Dagger or Dagger Micro, as some people refer to them. You're going to see one I got here for the Micro Dagger C1 and for the Extreme Carry, and this is in their flat dark earth over here, and we have their OD green. And so what makes these different or special comparison to the base model or the Ridge? We're going to talk about that in just a second. I just want to say, if you like this video, you like this content, hit that like and subscribe button. I'd certainly appreciate it, and it would help support my channel. So if you really want to support my channel, hit that like and subscribe button. Anyway, let's dive in. And so talking a little bit about these holsters, I gravitated to this product because I had purchased some other ones on Amazon and other companies before, and they just seemed really cheap and inferior. The hardware just kind of plain sucked on some of the other brands that I had dealt with. Just shooting it to you guys straight. And I bought this one initially way back when, I say way back when, like 6 months ago. And it just felt right in terms of the retention among everything else. And this is just a standard holster. I mean, not their flagship model like these ones are here. And that's really what makes some of the big difference. Talking about the feature set, you'll notice, you look at it, this one has an adjustable cant. But it's only up to 15 degrees, right? Whereas you get into the Path model, which is their flagship, which these run around roughly $75, give or take, and these can be had for a little bit less. These ones actually have an adjustable cant up to 30 degrees. So you'll notice there's a lot more hole configurations here, but also the ride height too. So if you want this to stick up higher or lower out of your pants or your garments that you're wearing, you have the ability to do so. In addition, you also have their patent pending Easy On pad. So it is still textured up here, but allows a little bit smoother transition getting it on and off of your persons. So that's really the major differences with the base versus the Ridge versus the Path, which again is their flagship. So for, like I said, for $75, I think you're getting a quality product. Again, the 30-degree can adjustment, ride height adjustment. You've got the claw here, which is their Easy On pad, as they refer to it. They also have a high sight clearance channel. So if you're running suppressor height sights, if you're running suppressor height sights, this is really what's going to make a big difference for you, because then you'll have that channel and it's not going to get blocked. In addition, I like the fact that most of their holsters are open-ended. So that way, if you are running a muzzle device, or if you happen to have a threaded barrel or something of that sort, it's not going to be stopped or blocked by the holster where you're going to have to make any manipulations to it. And the vast majority of them, at least from what I've seen, are optic cut right out the gate. So nothing else you have to do there. And then I really like this company for the sheer fact that they are veteran owned, which is really important to me. I like to keep business here in the United States if I can. That's me personally. That doesn't mean that I'm not opposed to branching out otherwise, but I certainly like to support local businesses and veteran owned businesses where I can. And I really like what they're doing with this product. Again, I feel like their hardware and everything else, their forming, I mean, they've really done a phenomenal job. And if you didn't see my previous video, I did talk a little bit about their beginnings and going from just a small outfit all the way up to a commercial space. And I mean, just look at the forming and everything. They're doing a phenomenal job on this product. And like I said, I really think that their hardware and stuff is top notch. All of their holsters are going to offer retention as well as adjustability for cant. But the major difference, like I said, once you get to the Path model, is you're going to get this Easy On pad, plus you're going to get the ability to adjust the ride height. So again, higher or lower, and then go up to a 30-degree cant versus only 15 degrees on the other holster. And it allows you to go cant in either direction, whereas the other model, you're pretty much only going in one. So something to be aware of, like I said, if you're looking at those. But, important to note, they are branching out. They do a number of different brands: Glock, SIG, Beretta, CZ. I mean, you name it, they probably have a holster for it. But also, too, they're really branching out on the PSA stuff. I think they've really seen that, the Palmetto State Armory market is really starting to blow up. And they've make models for the Dagger, the regular Dagger. They've got them for the Micro Dagger or Dagger Micro. And then I also have them for the Rock. Looks like they're certainly following along with everybody. And like I said, I like what they're doing at the end of the day. They did send these for testing, and I did have a chance to take them with me down to South Carolina when I took a road trip. So I was pretty much wearing it the entire time all the way down and then back, of course. And needless to say, I was very comfortable with this particular, with these holsters. And, and I really like the fact that they do have that sweat guard built in. So, I happen to sweat a lot, especially when I'm driving and getting in and out of different climates and temperatures. So, yeah, I mean, that's it in a nutshell. Like I said, these guys kick some butt. I really like CYA Supply. Regardless, like I said, that they sent me these for testing. This is my own opinion, and I happen to like their products. I think they put out a solid piece, and I'm happy to support them. So, at any rate, like I said in the beginning, if you like this content, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't hesitate to drop a comment. I'd love to hear, are you using any CYA Supply holsters? What made you choose them, and what's been your experience so far? So, I'd love to hear back from you. Like I said, drop those comments below. Be safe, stay vigilant, and we'll see you on the next video. We've got a new gun coming in, and I'd love to show it to you, and I'm excited to go over the details. Take care.